Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, then welcome. In today's tutorial, we will be designing a photography logo in Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting any time, let's try to jump into the tutorial. First we need to bring the grids, so go to views and click on show the grids or press Ctrl or Command double quotes. Then again go to view and now click on snap to grids. It will help us later. Now activate rectangle tool and draw a rectangle vertically like that. Activate selection tool, hold Alt or Option and drag the shape to left side. It will be duplicate. Again hold Alt or Option and drag the shape into the center. Now rotate the middle one shape at 45-degree angle or something like that. Now activate direct selection tool and active upper one anchor point and drag it to the upper side. Do same method here. Now activate the other both anchor points and drag it to the downside. With selection tool, select all shapes and go to Pathfinder palette and click on divide icon. The shapes will be divided into parts. With direct selection tool, select the unwanted parts and delete it. Now again select all shapes and go to Pathfinder palette. Now click on unite icon. The shapes will be united into one shape. Now duplicate the N shape with the earlier method as we done. Hold Alt or Option and drag it to the upper side. It will be duplicate. Change the color of second shape that we can see the difference between both shapes later. Right click on shape and go to arrange and click on send to back. Now we can clearly see our main shape. With selection tool, select both shapes and place it somewhere at the side. Now again select rectangle tool and pick a black color and draw a horizontally rectangle shape. Now we need new rectangle shape, so I am going to copy this shape. For that I am going to edit and click on copy and again go to edit and now click on paste in front and decrease the shape size and go to fill color and pick a white color that we can clearly see the upper shape. Decrease the white shape size and make it like a cube. Then place it to the left side. With direct selection tool, hold shift and select the tiny circles and drag it to the middle side. The white shape's corners will be rounded. Then duplicate the shape, hold Alt or Option and drag it. For repeat the same process, press Ctrl or Command D. Press them 5 or 6 times. It depends how much copies you want. Select all new shapes and group it. Now grab the N shape into the middle and place the second shape on the top of it. Shut off the grid snapping. Duplicate the shape and drag it to the bottom side. And then right click on the shape, go to transform and reflect it horizontal. Select both shapes, take a shape builder tool and delete unnecessary parts from the sides. Then take pen tool and make a triangle shape in the empty area. Again with the pen tool, make a triangle type shape and cover the N shape right side. With selection tool, select the new shape that we make earlier. Then hold shift key and select behind N shape. Go to Pathfinder panel and click on divide icon. Now with the direct selection tool, select the unnecessary part and delete it. Select both shapes and ungroup them. Now select shapes without the white little shapes. Take eyedropper tool and pick a brownish color. Now we no need of grids, so go to views and shut off the grids. Now again select that both shapes and group them. Now we are done with the logo, so select the all shapes and group them. Decrease the logo size a little and place it in the middle of canvas. Now that is the last step. Take text tool and pick black color. And the font style will be prototype. The font link will be given in the description, so make sure to check it. Decrease the text size a little, and I am typing here the logo name like Negative Photography Official. With selection tool, adjust the size of the text a little. Now select both objects and in the option bar click on horizontal align center icon. So finally we are done with our project. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from the tutorial. If yes, then do like, comment and subscribe our channel. And stay tuned for the next tutorial. So see you in the next video. Take care.